Right now, most founders are running on a particular mental model that every single AI agent they deploy saves them time. More agents save more. It's additive, it's linear. That model is flawed because executives who push their team to go all in on AI are now finding agents they never approved, costs they never budgeted, and conflicts that they can't explain. Two recent examples. Number one, FICO, the credit scoring company many of you know. They said their people are creating dozens of new AI agents every single week across every tier of the organization. Dozens every day. The CIO of Magnum Ice Cream, an ice cream company, said publicly he's worried about financially responsible AI agent management. If the ice cream company is worried about it, I think a tech startup founder probably should be. So I want you to think about your own company for a second because the gap between the agents you know about and the agents that are actually running in production, that gap has a dollar sign on it. An agent running on a frontier model like GPT 5.5 or Claude Opus costs anywhere from $20 to up to $200 in direct API fees. That's per agent, and it could be much more depending on how much workload the agent is processing. A company with a couple dozen agents is spending somewhere between $1,000 to $5,000 a month just on the tokens, and nobody approved that budget. It accumulated one agent at a time, each one too small to trigger any alerts. But cost is only half of the problem. The other half is what happens when agents start working against each other. One of my clients faced exactly this before we fixed their whole AI governance. They received a customer support request, a simple billing question. The service bot agent read it and determined it's a refund situation and generated a refund approval. The sales qualification agent from a different team with different instructions marked the same ticket as a customer of high value and escalated that ticket to an account executive. Now, a third agent, CRM sync agent, read the updated record and overrode the service agent's changes with the second sales qualification agent data. I know, what a mess. But it didn't end here. What ended up happening is that the customer got a refund email confirmation and another email saying we are escalating your issue to a senior member. All of this happened within the same hour. Again, this is not bad AI, this is bad orchestration and bad implementation. Three agents built by three different people on three different teams, all trying to be helpful and collectively producing exactly the wrong outcome. But even with the right orchestration and implementation, there is still one more problem with agent sprawl. AI agents can be manipulated through something called prompt injection. It is not hacking the code, it is tricking the agent by asking it nicely while pretending to be someone it trusts. I already made a video about how AI increases your whole security risk surface. I'll link it down below because there's where I go much deeper into the whole security aspect of AI. But for now, just understand that AI agent sprawl problem compounds your security problems as well. Unmanaged agents don't just duplicate work and waste money. Each new agent widens the attack surface. Each one is a new door. And the more doors you have, the more ways someone can walk in. And honestly, this isn't the first time that we have collectively left the doors wide open and ignored it until it became a real problem. You see, in the early SaaS era, companies discovered their employees had adopted dozens of SaaS tools without IT approval. Slack, Dropbox, Trello, Zoom. Each one was adopted by a single team because it solved an immediate problem, and each one was invisible to the central IT until the sprawl was out of control, to the point where it was named as shadow IT. AI agent sprawl is shadow IT, but worse in a specific way that matters. SaaS tools had access to the data, but AI agents, on the other hand, act on that data autonomously. A rogue Dropbox account may leak your files, but a rogue AI agent with the right permissions modifies your whole production database, sends email on part of your company, executes transactions, deploys the code. And here's the thing, the barrier to entry is much lower than the SaaS ever was. Deploying an AI agent requires a simple prompt and an API key. Anyone on your team can do it. No credit card, no approval, no IT department that even knows what to look for. I did a whole video on how an AI agent deleted the production database of a startup called Pocket OS. I will link it down in the description. Now, the companies that solved the shadow IT didn't ban the SaaS tools. They built a lightweight system to discover what existed, classify what was critical versus what's redundant, and governed what stayed. That playbook, discover, classify, govern, still works, and it's exactly what you need for AI agents. I'll do a quick run check of the playbook. Step 1 is discovery. 3 places to look at. 1. Your API billing dashboard. OpenAI, Anthropic, whatever LLM provider you are using. Look at the request patterns. Every distinct application or integration hitting those APIs is probably an agent you haven't cataloged. 2. Ask every team lead to list every AI agent that their team uses. 3. Scan your Slack, Discord, your Zapier and Make workflows, your deployed GitHub actions. Agents announce themselves through at least one of these channels. If you do these 3 sweeps, you will find the vast majority of your agents within a week or so. Step 2 is classification. For every agent you discovered, ask 3 questions. Number 1, does it create measurable value or does it duplicate something another agent already does? Number 2, what data does it access and does it actually need access to that data at all? Number 3, who owns it and when it was last reviewed by a human? Sort every agent into one of these 3 buckets: keep, merge, or kill. The agents that genuinely create value stay. The agents that overlap with others get consolidated. The agents that nobody can justify or know gets turned off. Step 3 is governance. Now, this is not a compliance department. This is a lightweight system with exactly 4 rules. Number 1, every new agent gets registered before it's deployed. Number 2, every agent has a named human owner. Number 3, agent gets reviewed quarterly. Is it still needed? Is it still doing what it was built for? Number 4, permission boundaries get set at the system level. That's the framework. A spreadsheet, a few hours of your time, and the willingness to ask questions you've been avoiding. Hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.